Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add call out to pie chart in Excel. So let's start this maxel, and here you can see I have a data, category list and sales amount. So here I'm going to first create pie chart. Simply select the data, okay, then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie charts option and select here the 2D pie chart. And here you can see your pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Drag the corner point and increase the size of the pie charts. Here you can see the size of pie chart is increased. Okay. Now I'm going to add some labels. Just click on this plus sign, the chart elements option, and here you can see the second option, data labels. Just click on this box and here you can see the labels is added in pie chart inside the pie chart. If you want to change the position of the labels, just click on this arrow and you can select the center, inside, the end, outside, and best fit. Okay, so I select here the outside. Now I'm going to add the call out. So same as, click on the call out option, data call out. See, when I click on the call out, see the labels is showing in call out. Okay, you can add here different color on call out also. So I select it and you can see the all labels is selected. Okay, then go to the home tab. In font group, click on the field color option and color, select the color those you want. So here I select the color. See, I select here yellow color. So this is the way you can add the call out in your pivot table. Okay. If you want to increase size, you can increase it easily. Okay. So you can increase this way. Just drag the corner point, any point, and you can increase the size of call out also here. Okay. This is the way you can increase the size. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.